What's going on, guys? I hope you enjoyed that insert of that video, the intro of this. Starting this YouTube vlog because I intend to share all of my builds that I have currently going, and this YouTube vlog will contain a lot of all of my builds. I have a 72 Datsun 240Z, 91 Eagle Talon, 94 Miata, which is being a pain in the ass right now, and a 91 Miata, which has no differential. So that's where I'm going to start this vlog. Currently right now I'm sitting in my 91 Eagle Talon that has no engine currently. I'm actually looking at it right now. And have the transmission rebuilt. I'll insert some of that B-roll here when I was reassembling it. I don't even know where to start. There's a lot. So, if you want to know more about me, I'm 24. I do NASA racing through NASA Rocky Mountain. I go to High Plains Raceway and Pueblo Motorsports Park. I've currently moved up to HPDE2. I intend to be in time trials by the end of next year. 2020 sucked ass, so I'm hoping it'll be a lot better next year. So, yeah, I will just keep you posted on what I do and go from there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I have a couple things on my list I still have to do today, like install this oil filter adapter housing, which is welded so it doesn't come apart right here. I guess it's a common issue on these. I have some turbo oil feed and coolant feed lines I have to install. And I have new spark plugs to install because they'll be a lot better for the amount of boost I want to run. I have a couple other things. Clutch slave cylinder that's new to install, which is going to be a pain in the ass because it's not bled. And yeah, that's about it. I have all the fluids I need to change, like for transmission. Well, of course I need to fill that. And change out the transfer case fluid, rear differential fluid, but engine bay is all cleaned up now, unlike in the first beginning of this video where you saw them, but it's all cleaned up now. Engine's all to be greased and cleaned up, so shouldn't have too much to worry about here. The new oil filter housing is a lot cleaner than this one, but other than that, body's in somewhat good condition, except for the front bumper that needs to be repainted. Everything else is good on this vehicle, but yeah, got Got a nice big straight pipe, just like 5-inch tipped exhaust. That's 2.5 all the way down, and the rest of my parts here. So, all the fun stuff. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little update on the progress I've had. I have gotten the starter on just as of now. Gotten all of the turbos, coolant, and oil feed lines on, so that's all good to go. Got the oil filter housing on. That's definitely been needed to be upgraded just to ensure that it's going to not leak coolant into it. So I'd say here in the next, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, I'll have it ready to be able to drop in the engine, because I have a couple little things I have to do, like tighten the starter bolts, tighten the bell housing bolts, put the T-case back under the vehicle to get it back on the drive shaft so I can lift it back up in there, and actually I think I'm pretty much ready to put it in, aside from, actually I also have to put the slave cylinder on as well, but other than that, everything's looking good, so hopefully we'll have it in there. Maybe have a first start next weekend. Guess we'll see. Alright, so I've made it to a point where I can get the engine installed, and I'm super freaking tired. But it will go in today, I can guarantee that, because I definitely want to have a first start on this next weekend, assuming I can get all my fluids by then. Still need the trans fluid, transfer case, and rear differential fluid, but if I can get those by next weekend, I have them on order, then I can have a first start, first drive, see how it runs. Hope it doesn't explode, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah. This is where I have it. Have the area pretty much cleaned up. I just need to move those cardboard boxes. Engine bay is all sorts of clear, ready for it. Just need to pull the axles out as in move them back a bit, but other than that, everything is looking good. Transfer case is down there ready to be bolted up once I get it all in there. Motor mounts are ready. Had to makeshift one as well, which will be this bolt here. Had to weld a piece of all thread with a very large diameter nut and everything, so yeah, that's how that's going. But everything's coming together very nicely. I hope I don't have any issues. So, on a side note, I just want to show you guys what my friend Brian has going on with his build. So, we have an 87 FC that's been LS, or technically 5.3 swapped. Big wheels, 18s, 18 by 10 in the front and 18 by 12 in the rear, something like that. So I have a Borg Warner S480. He just upgraded the push rods, lifters, and the valve springs to be able to push 16 pounds of boost. It's got a front mount intercooler, got the fender off because he's got a nice wide body kit to be able to fit the nice new wide wheels. Here's the front bumper he's going to be running. The rear bumper, he said he's not sure if he's going to run. I think it would look better without it and with a nice chassis mount wing, but that's just me. Then we have some fenders here and the rear quarter panels to be able to go on here. So that'll be a nice, fun little project to get going there. And he's also got some oil coolers, and I think a trans cooler. So that'll be fun. So, got the engine all in, got most of the stuff on, got like throttle cable on, injector wiring, coil wiring. I just gotta plug in the coil wires. Got, of course, turbo on. Pretty much everything's assembled. There's only a couple little things I have to do, like some sensors on the oil filter housing, but that's pretty much it. That's all I have to do. Alright guys, so I had a busy day. Definitely got a lot done. Got the engine back in, and it's about where I'm wrapping it up right now. If you like this content, want to see more of it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment if you want to know anything else. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, or evening, whatever time of day you watch this. Thank you.